see, we have our materials down: blocks, sand, tank. Remember, I'm always telling you guys that water is everything when it comes to building. Granite. As you can see, this is an ongoing project. 3-bedroom bungalow. This is our sockaway. All right. So let me take you guys inside. Yeah. Yeah, this is the entrance.
This is waiting room.
Waiting room.
This is stuff for visa.
Toilets.
This one. Anteroom. I need to enter anteroom.
Yeah.
This is dining. This is
Sitting room.
This is one room.
Yeah. This is one of the rooms.
This is toilet for the master.
Yeah.
This is the kitchen.
This is our kitchen.
Dining.
And here it comes dining.
Exit outside to the kitchen.
Yeah. This is outside.
This is
Balcony. Kitchen stuff, alright.
This is another room.
Okay. This is the second room with the toilet. Yeah.
This is third room.
This is the third room.
Which is master bedroom.
Yeah.
This is toilet for master bedroom.
Yeah, the lintel has just been casted. As you can see, the planks are still there. Yeah. So after this, you have to add some blocks on it, like 3 coaches. All right. And then comes roofing. And before you know it, your building is ready to pack in. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to follow for more videos. All right, and contact us if you need our service. Okay.
This is our guy CEO. Same Mike. We're going to visit our inside.
Yeah.
To look the work we are doing.
Yeah.
Welcome.
Thank you.
This is the dining.
Yeah, I've shown you guys now already.
This waiting room.
Okay. As you can see, here is the parlor. That is the sitting room.
Okay.
Here is the dining.
Okay.
And here comes the kitchen.
Okay.
With the store.
Okay, ma'am.
Then one of the room.
Okay.
This is one of the room here with the toilet. Yeah.
Okay.
Then here we have another room.
Okay, ma'am.
This is another room with
Okay.
the toilet as well.
Okay.
Then the third room here. Here we have the third room.
Master
bedroom. Yeah.
Okay.
Master
Very
bedroom.
spacious.
Yeah. With the toilet.
You're welcome. Patronize us.
Yes. So
We're
guys,
expecting you.
this is what we are handling right now, and we are expecting to hear from you. If you have any project at all to handle anywhere in Nigeria, yeah, as far as you can take care of us. We are based in Ilorin. That is our base, but we go anywhere.
Yeah.
Anywhere in Nigeria. Even if you want us outside Nigeria, no problem. As far as you can take care of us, we are ready for you.
Yes.
So contact us if you need our assistance, if you need our service, if you need our help. We are here for you. All right. Thank you so much for watching and for following. See you next time. Bye.
You're welcome.